Welcome to our guide on breast pumping. Today, we're revealing the secrets to successful breast pumping. You'll learn everything from practical tips on pump selection to techniques for maximum efficiency. Let's get started. Why pump? Breast pumping has a range of benefits for both you and your baby. It allows you to take breaks while still providing your baby with breast milk. It can help boost your milk supply, relieve engorgement when your breast feels super full, and build a backup stash of milk. Plus, it lets other caregivers like your partner or grandparents feed your baby too. Number 1, getting started. The essentials. Before you dive into breast pumping, you'll need a few things. First, you'll need a breast pump. Many insurance plans cover the cost of a breast pump, so check with your provider. You'll also want breast milk storage bags or containers to store the pumped milk. Having extra pumping parts and a pumping bra can make the process more comfortable and efficient. Number 2, choosing a pump. When it comes to breast pumps, you have a range of options to choose from. Electric pumps offer convenience with their adjustable suction levels and rapid milk extraction, making them a great choice for busy parents. But on the other hand, manual pumps provide a more hands-on approach, allowing you to control the rhythm and suction strength to suit your comfort. Double electric pumps streamline pumping by allowing you to express milk from both breasts simultaneously, saving time and promoting milk supply. Ultimately, the type of pump you select depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and how seamlessly you want pumping to integrate into your routine. Number 3, timing is everything. When's the best time to pump? A good rule of thumb is about an hour after your baby's morning feed when your breasts are usually fullest. You can also try pumping on one side while your baby nurses on the other. If your baby isn't nursing, looking at a photo of them or listening to their cries can help trigger your milk flow. You should also try your best to get some sleep. Rest is very important for your well-being and for your milk production, so make it a priority. Number 4, the pumping process. All right, let's pump. Find a cozy spot where you can relax. Center your nipple in the pump flange and make sure it's sealed properly. Start the pump at a low suction level and gradually increase it until you find a comfortable setting. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your milk flow slows down. If you're double pumping both breasts at once, you might finish faster. Number 5, storing your liquid gold. You've pumped that precious milk, so now what? Freshly pumped milk can sit out at room temperature for about 4 hours. In the fridge, it's good for up to 4 days. And if you're freezing it, you can store it for up to 12 months in the freezer, set at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Just be sure to label each container with the date so you know when it was pumped. Number 6, cleaning up. Keeping your pump clean is super important. After every pumping session, wash all the parts with soap and hot water. Use a cleaning brush to scrub any leftover milk residue. Rinse everything well under running water and then let the parts air dry. Don't forget to clean the pump's tubing too, following the manufacturer's instructions. Number 7, practice makes perfect. Breast pumping might feel a bit strange at first, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. The more you pump, the more you'll get used to it. And guess what? Your body will start to adjust to your pumping routine. The more you empty your breast, the more milk your body will make. You can also consider incorporating skin-to-skin contact as a powerful tool to boost milk production. Snuggling your baby skin to skin not only deepens your bond, but also signals your body to release oxytocin, a hormonal pivotal in milk letdown. This natural interaction encourages your body to produce milk in sync with your baby's demands, creating a harmonious flow of nourishment that complements your nurturing journey. And before we continue, we want to hear from you. Have you discovered any unique tricks or hacks that helped you on your pumping journey? Please share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos on parenting tips and baby care. 8, soothing. Soothing your breast during breast pumping is crucial for a comfortable and effective pumping session. To start, ensure you have the right flange size. An ill-fitting flange can cause discomfort. Gently massaging your breast before and during pumping can stimulate milk flow and prevent any clogs. Applying a warm compress to your breast before pumping can help relax the muscles and make milk expression easier. A cold compress after pumping can alleviate any swelling or discomfort. Using lanolin cream or coconut oil can help moisturize and protect your nipples from dryness or irritation caused by frequent pumping. Taking short breaks between pumping sessions and practicing relaxation techniques can help reduce any tension or discomfort. And lastly, maintain a consistent pumping schedule to prevent engorgement and to ensure your breasts are comfortable throughout your pumping journey. Troubleshooting Challenges. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe you're not getting as much milk as you hoped, or it's a bit uncomfortable. Well, don't stress. It's common to have these hiccups. Reach out to a lactation consultant or your healthcare provider for guidance. They can give you tips and tricks to overcome challenges and make your pumping journey smoother. Lactation consultants play a crucial role in helping new mothers with pumping by providing expert guidance on proper pumping techniques, equipment usage, and milk storage. They offer personalized support to ensure mothers can effectively express breast milk, promoting successful breastfeeding journeys. And celebrate your efforts. Remember, breast pumping is a way to provide your baby with the best, even when you're not together. Every drop of breast milk you pump is a triumph, so celebrate your efforts. You're doing an amazing job nourishing and caring for your little one in your unique way. Breast pumping is a wonderful tool that allows you to provide your baby with the benefits of breast milk while accommodating your busy life. With the right equipment, proper technique, and a little practice, you'll become a breast pumping pro in no time. Embrace this new skill and know that you're giving your baby the gift of your love and nourishment, no matter where life takes you. So take a deep breath, relax, and let breast pumping become a seamless part of your parenting journey. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But always remember that the effort you put into breast pumping is an investment in your baby's well-being. You're providing them with a nourishing start that will have a positive impact on their growth and development. So keep up the fantastic work, stay patient and persistent, and watch as your baby thrives on the wonderful gift of your breast milk. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more valuable tips and guidance on parenting and baby care. And if you enjoyed this video and think it could benefit other parents, share it with your friends, family, or other caregivers. Let's come together to support each other in raising happy, healthy, and resilient little ones. Thank you for being a part of our community. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching and happy pumping!